In this tutorial, you will learn how to create an FTP account in Plesk. Log into your Plesk account. In the Websites and Domains interface, click on the appropriate domain you wish to use for an FTP account. Under Files and Databases, click the FTP Access option. If you have multiple users that need to use FTP to upload data to your websites, you can create separate accounts for each of them. Click on the Add an FTP account button. We need to give a name to the account. It will be the username. You can set the home directory if you wish to restrict this user to a certain directory. Go and click to select the folder whose access you wish to grant to the user. You can either enter the password twice in the given text input boxes or generate it automatically. To generate the password automatically, click on the Generate button and then show the password to copy and save it. It's ready now, click OK. Success! The FTP account has been created. Thank you for watching.